Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you see the error message saying that WhatsApp is temporarily unavailable, please try again in 1 hour or later. Do not worry. Here are some solutions that you can try. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. And you can also try turning your flight mode on for a few seconds and turn it back off. Now, you can also restart your Android phone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary app or system problems. Then after if the issue persists, you can go to settings, then scroll down and go to apps. From here, click on the search bar in the top and then search for WhatsApp. Click on it, scroll down, select storage, click on clear cache. You can also clear the data, but this will remove all of your credentials, data, bases, and all. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, go to permissions, and make sure that you've given all the necessary permissions to WhatsApp. Then after, you also need to go to the battery section and make sure that it's set to optimized or unrestricted. Then open your Google Play Store, click on the search bar and search for WhatsApp application and make sure that it's up to date. If you see an update button, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. And also make sure that your date and time is correct on your phone. Go to settings, scroll down, then select general management, go to date and time, and here make sure that your phone's date and time are set automatically. If you're using VPN, temporarily turn it off or try opening WhatsApp again. If none of the steps work, the error might be due to a temporary WhatsApp service issue or account verification problem. You can wait a while and try again later. So that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.